Hi cuties! Just wanna share with you this unforgettable teppanyaki eat all you can with unlimited drinks experience namin sa Yurakuen Japanese restaurant. Yes, only everything from appetizer up to dessert, from sashimi, seafood, and quality beef na lulutuin mismo sa harap mo. Naka-private room pa with food attendants and skilled chef na may pa-exhibition. All that and more for only 2,000 pesos. Thanks to the BPI cardholders promo. Sobrang sulit! Yurakuen is actually located inside the Diamond Hotel Philippines. Napakaganda ng ambience sa main dining kung saan may 180-degree view ng lush garden greens at nasa gitna yung napakagandang glass cherry blossom tree. Pero dito kami sa may private dining room for the teppanyaki eat all you can. May dalawang large grill and tig 5 kami sa table. While they are preparing, pinapili na kami sa menu and we just ask for the chef's recommendation first. Then, saka na kami magre-request ng iba after. Habang pinipreheat yung grill, we were served with appetizers like this tamagoyaki, kani salad, sashimi, sushi, and maki. And we know we're off to a great start. As I've said earlier, only drinks dito, so we were given a choice between soda, juice, or iced tea while eating. Finally, start na ng teppanyaki cooking show. Medyo na-stun lang si Sol dahil sa apoy, but the chef were highly skilled. Inuna muna yung seafood. May malalaking US scallops, shrimp, and salmon. Seasoned with pepper and drizzled with some sauce before serving. We were surprised by how plump and juicy ng US scallops nila. Must try! Sobrang soft and tender. Of course, shrimp na ayos kasi wala nang balat kaya madaling kainin. Last for the seafood is itong salmon na nilagyan ng butter, one for each. Dito pa lang sa seafood, mabubusog ka na pero madami pa tayong titikman. After that, fried rice naman muna yung sinunod. May iba-ibang choices din to. Sa table namin, we requested beef since allergic si Gio sa seafood and sila sa kabila, seafood naman. Kitang-kita naman na hindi tinipid sa laman and nag-share kami sa magkabilang table para matikman. Next, beef. Starting with US short rib, thinly sliced and cut into little pieces. Then, added with garlic and sauce. Quality yung beef dito. As a samgyup lover, ang saya din na niluluto yung beef sa harap mo and kakainin mo na lang. We were also served with a beef tenderloin. Wanting pa fire show muna ulit si chef then hiniwa-hiwa na yung beef. Though mas thicker to, it was absolutely tender and flavorful. You can actually request ng preferred level of doneness mo for this. Cut into bite-sized cubes to and ang sarap i-partner sa fried rice. After that, pinag-request na kami ng gusto naming i-try pa or ulitin. We had to order the scallops again kasi sobrang nagustuhan ng lahat to. By the way, you could actually request ng luto and we requested garlic butter sa shrimp with some spice, inspired by my mom's signature dish. Although iba yung atake nito since grilled. Nag-thin sliced strip loin rolled enoki din kami, chicken thigh and some veggies. During downtime habang nagluluto pa yung chef, you could request for a refill ng mga sashimi, maki, salad or soup if you want more. The food attendants were very attentive. Bago mo pa i-request, tatanungin ka na kagad if you want a refill or change of another plate. Everything was pleasantly good but I have to say our favorite was really the scallops and beef tenderloin. Though busog na, we still had room for desserts since kasama din yun. May assorted seasonal fruits and ice cream. Each one of us tried the different flavors available and personal favorite ko is yung dark choco. Sila daw mismo yung gumagawa ng ice cream and nakailang balik kami kasi sobrang sarap and creamy niya. Saktong sweetness and hindi nakakaumay. We thoroughly enjoyed ourselves hanggang sa matapos yung 2-hour time dito sa room. First batch kasi kami for dinner which is 5 to 7 p.m. And since may kasunod kami, they offer that if we want to, we can move to the main dining area and continue our desserts there. Ayos din yung experience dito. Ang ganda sobrang ng ambience and super Instagrammable. Of course, we had to capture some photos here. Overall, we had a wonderful time here in Yurakuen. Siguradong babalikan namin to. Lalo na kung may pa-discount pa ulit si BPI. Originally, 3,999 per person to, but since may promo na 50% off for BPI signature card holders, 1,999 na lang each. By the way, maximum 6 persons lang per card yung promo. Not sure if by the time ma-post ko to, ongoing pa yung promo. Check nyo na lang rin para masulit, but I assure you, it's worth every penny. We've tried other teppanyaki pero compare dito, onti lang yung variety sa iba and wala pang pa-exhibition yung chef. Yun pa naman kadalasan highlight ng teppanyaki. After eating here, pinag-usapan na nga namin agad kung kailan kami babalik. Anyway, that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching cuties. Follow me for more recos. Bye!